Good afternoon. Today's demonstration is how to dry fry. This is a really good way of omitting any fats from making quite a lot of your meals that you do on a daily basis. For example, spaghetti bolognese, chilies. This is a really healthy way of cooking. So we're going to dry fry some diced onions. So again, cut the onion in half, peel the onion back, take the ends off, and then we can slice up the onion, like so. What we're going to do now is take a stock cube. Now you can use any stock cubes, and you don't need to be using expensive stock cubes. Lots of the shops do their own versions now. So you can get chicken, beef and vegetable. For today's purpose of today's recipe, I'm going to be doing a chicken recipe. So I'm going to crumble one stock cube into a jug, and then I'm going to add some boiling water. So fill your jug up, because you want to have plenty of stock, and mix the stock cube until it's dissolved. Okay, we're going to take a frying pan, and then we're going to put it up quite high. I've got this on number 8 on an induction hob. So just add the onion to the pan. Note that I've got nothing else in there, and then we're going to add some of the stock. This is the process of the dry frying now. So you get the heat up high and put a lid on, and you're just going to leave that to start bubbling away, and it will start to reduce down, and it will just leave all of the onions nicely cooked and crystallised without using any fat. So add some seasoning. I'm just going to add a little bit of black pepper and some salt. Give it a stir, and then replace the lid and keep it on high. As you can see, we're almost there. Still a little drop of liquid in there, so we'll just keep it going a little bit longer until all the liquid is reduced. And there you go. All the liquid is now reduced, and you're left with perfectly cooked onion without using any oil. You can do this with most vegetables. Sometimes you only need to partly do them if you was doing like a root vegetable. If you was adding it to something else, you could half dry fry it so it's half cooked, and then add it to the rest of the recipe.